Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Narkasur ends in flames. Festival of lights and happiness begins. Diwali celebrations in full swing all over the state. Effigies of Narkasur burnt in BRs, remains and debris along roadside discomforts commuters. Nails, iron rods, heaps of debris still on road. Miscreants thrashed Sanatan Sanstha Sadaks on Diwali morning. Sadaks allegedly beaten by iron rods, sticks. Sanstha files police complaint. Pilan ground site full of mud and debris, locals infuriated. TCP rejects project citing it as eco-sensitive zone. CM contradicts by laying foundation stone. And Zico pins his hopes on FC Goa strikers for Thursday match against Kolkata. We are confident of winning, says Kolkata. Now the news in detail. Happy Diwali to all our viewers. Diwali celebrations commenced after killing demon Narkasur. It is the victory of good over evil. Diwali celebration comes along with a lot of devotion and respect to the elders. Diwali celebrations commence with lighting the Akash Kandil on top of the dwelling. It signifies light and peace. Goans celebrated Diwali with joy and prepared different delicacies and sweets. The celebrations will continue for the coming few days.
Diwali is among the most famous and widely celebrated festivals across the country. It is also known as the Festival of Lights. The festival begins with killing of Narkasur. The day marks victory of good over evil. Narkasur competitions were held across the state. The Narkasur was then killed on the eve of Diwali. And this is how Diwali was celebrated in houses by giving due respect to the elders and performing traditional rituals. All the members of the house participated in the celebration. Young children to elders in the house participated in decorating rangoli and preparing sweets and delicacies. The houses were lit with Akash Kandils and lamps. Some houses were seen glittering with artificial series of lights. Diwali celebration continues for more days. Prudent team wishes all the viewers a happy and prosperous Diwali. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's victory of good over evil. Narkasur competitions were held across the state on eve of Diwali. Narkasur effigies were burnt on roads, some on roadsides and some in open spaces. People burnt the demon and left the remains of the effigies on the road. This waste of effigies created inconvenience to travelers and drivers on the day of Diwali. Some effigies had nails, broken iron rods and some steel spikes. When Swachh Bharat Nithal Goy campaign is on, roads were seen in a mess on the day of Diwali.
night passed away, but remains of Narkasur effigies were left over. Have a look at these pictures. These huge Narkasurs were burnt on the eve of Diwali. The leftover of these effigies were then left on roads. Some effigies were burnt on roadsides. Commuters and drivers faced a lot of inconvenience due to this menace.
नरकासुराक सामको हेतून गाठचो पूण ती आमच्या गोवाचे नुकसान करून न्हू आमचे गोवा स्वच्छ करून तो आपूण जे कितें करतात त्याचो व्यवस्थित विल्हेवाट लावचो.
These huge effigies were made up of iron rods and some of steel materials. At many places, nails and sharp articles were left on roads.
नरकासुराचो हो सगळ्यात कचरो जाल्लो आसा आनी जागोजागी लोक हाडून जो कचरो उडयता तो कचरो सगळ्याक वचत थंय गोंयांत म्हाका जाल्यार सगळ्याक दिसता वयता थंय हाडटा आनी उडयता. तेचेर कितें तरी म्युनिसिपालिटीन किंवा सरकारान तेचेर कितें तरी कायदो हरशी आसात जो कोण कचरो रस्त्यार उडयता पूण अंमलबजावणी अजून पर्यंत जाल्ली म्हाका दिसूंक ना.
Some vigilant people were seen cleaning the roads after the effigy was burnt. Cleanliness is godliness. Let's have safe and clean competitions in coming years. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Some 25 to 30 miscreants tried to trespass Sanatan Sanstha ashram and thrashed some of the sadhaks black and blue, allegedly with iron rods, stones and sticks on 22nd morning. Virendra Marathi of Sanatan Sanstha told Prudent that it was a local group from Kavale who were returning from Narkasur competition. Marathi further said that all of them fled from the scene when police reached the spot. Sanatan Sanstha have registered a police complaint against these miscreants.
Sanatan Sanstha has filed complaint against a local group from Kavale for trying to illegally trespass in the ashram's property through their main gate with their vehicle and for inhumanly beating one of their sadhak. Prudent spoke to Marathi on the incident reported on 22nd October morning.
एक हांगात सवयाचोच एकटो गट नरकासूर प्रतिमा घेवन वतालो तांकां तेंच्यांनी एकदम तेंचो ट्रक ते नरकासूर आशिल्लो न्ही तसो ट्रक आमच्या गेटीर घातलो म्हणजे फुडें एक आमी आडो लायिल्लो आसा आडवो थंयचो एक आमचो सायडीन एक सादक झाडू मारतालो ते पानां बिनां पडटानी साफ करतालो स्वच्छता करतालो तर पयलीं ती गेट काडून लागलो आनी ते गेटीर हे केले आनी ताका मारपाक लागले. ताका मारता म्हणून दुसरो एकटो गेलो थंय आमचे म्हणजे तें आसता कोणी तरी असो देखरेख करपी तो गेलो जाल्यार ताकाय आडवो घातलो ताचो शर्ट फाडलो आनी ताकाय मारहाण केली. 25 दिसाचो गट आशिल्लो असो तेंच्या आसपरपटत ओडीत व्हेलो ताका आनी तेंची ट्रक आशिल्लो न्ही तेच्या टायरा पोंदा बी असो घातलो ओडून व्हेलो आनी तेंच्यान आणि चले रे गाडी वेजे वयल्यान वर म्हणपाक लागलो अशें ती.
Ponda PICL Patil confirmed of a complaint from Sanatan Sanstha.
आज सकाळी एक सनातन आश्रमान एक कंप्लेंट दिली तितून काही वीस भुरग्यांनी तेंचे ते कोणा मारहाण केली म्हणून आनी फुलांचे कुंडे आसता ते पडले म्हणून झाडांत.
Okay.
आमी केस रजिस्टर केल्या.
Okay.
आमकां तेंच्यांनी गाडयेचो नंबर दिल्लो सो तेन्ना एक्चुअल इन्सिडंट जालो तो बॉयज आर ट्रायंग टू टर्न द व्हीकल टर्न करपाक तेंकां स्पेस जाय आसली म्हणून तेंच्यानी ते सनातन आश्रमाच्या सायडीन घातली गाडी आनी ती गेट ओपन करना म्हणून तेंच्या वाद स्टार्ट जालो तो.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.